ultimately I got my turn. Like you can say, goddess of Indra is also doing same thing with Western Rajasthan. It is started, we're running from the south and then Mumbai and then Gujarat and ultimately the Western Rajasthan. The stay of the monsoon in Rajasthan also not very long. So looking to the participant and then particularly my colleagues, they are exhausted and they are more eager to look at the Goa rather than to listen me. Because once we talk about what is the role of the academia, industry, society and government, then naturally for the particular objective, efforts should be joint and then effect will be the mutual. It cannot be one-sided. Same time of academia, what for you are doing, last 2 days what I observed, that I am in island which is very far away from reality of my Western Rajasthan, where imparting education for masses, for common man, very backward due to the, you can say, weather condition. They are serving the country as a soldier. They are fighting adversity in the Siachen and then Kargil. Their word coming to my university is around 1,50,000 students getting education. Of course, I already imparted education in engineering. That is also started in 1952 MBM Engineering College, Jodhpur, the part of the university. Then management program is my university is one of the oldest one. In university system started, the management is MBA. My teacher, Professor D.N. Alans. But the professional education is attract the industry. Because ultimate stakeholder is industry people, and then output or this called product, they had utilized better way. Then we are confined to only industry, or we are confined to the specific industry. That's again question. Then the government never catered the need of the education. Then the public-private partnership or the pure partnership or pure private people champion came with the quality. Really they are doing everyone or not, that is again question. This end time is the Pilani, you know very well, established by the industry people. And in my own, you can say Maniram Bangade Engineering College is started by industrialists. You can say Jaipur also, you can say the evidence is also there. Then their motive was 100% to serve the society and education taken as a service. Later on, industrialists also felt that it is a wonderful area or called as it is a business activity. And then why not we look at run an education institution like a business? That is again not a fair. Of course, their balance sheet and their profit and loss account reveal less, conceal more. Still they are not for profit, but really are they doing or not, that you have all judged yourself. I am not going to comment that way. Then quality means once industries themselves is starting institution, Bajaj is coming on, Podar is there, the naturally employment opportunities and their avenues will be brighter than anyone is run by the government and particularly state government. These are points has taken care of. First of all, really I accept my humble way that this is wonderful opportunity. I am very thankful to the organizer. In general in particular, ELETs, they given me opportunity. Last 2 days I tried to educate myself and I tried to come up to expectation of all of you, how we can, because the wisdom is not monopoly anyone. Any person living in a remote area, one of my friends going to say there is what type of the rooms should be there. One village is there no room at all, general person. Then what you talk about, even there, open sky is there, even the output and product can do the wonders because God is distributed wisdom entirely in different manner, which is not controlled by anywhere. And that's way, thanks to your IT people, That knowledge is available to every last corner of the, you can say, Pakistan border or the Western Rajasthan or in a metro in Bangalore. It makes no difference at all. If anybody wishes to learn something, then naturally we thankful to your ICT people. You did an innovative way in such a way, that's way. The best teacher I can listen, I can check it at the, sit in a remote corner of the country. That's way I can see what way technology and who is the best teacher and pool of teachers and learners are there. So that's why things are now easier for the, anybody can survive in this competitive globe level competitions are there. But same time, government is not playing the proper role. Reason being, my point of view, three things is entirely responsibility of the government. That is called Shiksha, Suraksha or Swasthya. Means education, security, internal, external, as well as these are responsibility of the government. Reason being because government got a right to collect the charges, taxes, etc. And society is paying. And through only government itself, that there should come a big way of the national level. If any university not in position to impart all these, you can say, devices or you can infrastructure, then government should come forward and there can be, you can say, co-ownership and you can see common utilization of the national resources or assets that will help to each and every one, and then same standard can be maintained whether it is Rajasthan or within Mumbai. There should not differentiation. Thanks a lot. Again, I'm not going to take much more time to you, and thanks a lot to, because suppose I'm going to say only 4 or 5 names. There were wonderful vice chancellors. Their participation, their deliberation, their knowledge, their outcome, their vision, and their missionary approach, then still future is very bright, what I think so. Thanks a lot to organizer and all my friends.